Exercise 1.3 Matrix Inversion Method. Third problem. A man is appointed in a job with a monthly salary of the certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. If salary was rupees 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of the service and rupees 23,400 per month at the end of the first month after 9 years of the service. Find his starting salary and his annual increment. Use matrix inversion method to solve the problems. So in this problem, consider x be the monthly salary and y be the annual increment. So first form the equation x plus 3y is equal to 19,800 and the another equation x plus 9y is equal to 23,400. So form the two linear equations and solve using matrix inversion method. Solution. Let monthly salary be rupees x and annual increment be rupees y. So given that x plus 3y is equal to 19,800 and another equation x plus 9y equal to 23,400. So these two linear equations we have to write in the matrix form 1, 3 and 1, 9. This is the coefficient of x and y. Coefficient of x is 1, 1 and y is 3, 9 into xy is equal to the constant value 19,800 and 23,400. So which is ax is equal to b form. This is the step 1. Ax is equal to b form. And find the solution x is equal to a inverse b. So before that we have to find a inverse. A is nothing but 1319 and capital X is equal to x comma y and b is equal to 19,800 and 23,400. So determinant A is equal to determinant of 1319 which is equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6 is not equal to 0. So A is non-singular, A inverse exists. After that adjoint A equal to interchanging the leading diagonals and change the sign in this diagonal we get 9 minus 3 minus 1 1. So adjoint A is nothing but transpose of the cofactor matrix and A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. 1 by determinant A is 6 and adjoint A is 9 minus 3 minus 1 1. The solution is x is equal to A inverse B. X is nothing but xy and A inverse is 1 by 6 9 minus 3 minus 1 1 into B value 19,800 and 23,400. So first you divided by 6 in 19,800 and 23,400 we get 9 minus 3 minus 1 1 3,300 and 3,900. So using matrix multiplication, first row first column and second row first column we get 18,600. So the monthly salary x is equal to rupees 18,000 and the annual increment rupees y is equal to 600. Next exercise 1.3 fourth problem. 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days, while 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and that of one woman alone to finish the same work by using matrix inversion method. So first form the equation, linear equation and solve using the matrix inversion method. Solution. Let the work done by man in 1 day be x and the work done by a woman in 1 day be y. So given that 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days, it is a part of work. So we have to write 1 by 3. So 4x plus 4y is equal to 1 by 3. So take the LCM or cross multiplication, we get 12x plus 12y is equal to 1. This is equation 1. And the another equation, 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. It is a piece of work that is equal to 1 by 4. 4 days means 1 by 4. So 2x plus 5y equal to 1 by 4 and cross multiplication 8x plus 20y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. So these two linear equations to solve, find the value of x and y using matrix inversion method. First write the matrix form. The coefficient of x is 12 and 8 and y is 12, 20 into xy is equal to the constant value is 1, 1. So which is ax is equal to b form. This is the step 1. And write the value of a. A is nothing but the coefficient matrix 12, 12, 8, 20. And capital X is equal to xy. And b is equal to the constant 1, 1. First, the solution is x is equal to a inverse b. First find a inverse. Before that, determinant a. Determinant a is equal to the determinant of 12, 12, 8, 20. That is equal to 144 is not equal to 0. So, a is non-singular. A inverse exists. Adjoint a is equal to, we know that clearly, the matrix adjoint a is equal to, interchanging the leading diagonals and change the sign in this diagonal, we get 20 minus 12 minus 8, 12. So a inverse equal to 1 by determinant a into adjoint a equal to 1 by determinant a is 144 into adjoint a value 20 minus 12 minus 8 and 12. The solution is x is equal to a inverse b. X is nothing but xy equal to a inverse value 1 by 144 into 20 minus 12 minus 8, 12 into b value 1, 1. So 1 by 144 into 20 into 1. First row, first column 20 and minus 12 and minus 8 plus 12. We get 8 and 4. So divided by each element is divided by 144. We get 8 by 144 is nothing but 1 by 18 and 4 by 144 is equal to 1 by 36. So the work done by a man in a one day is 1 by 18. So the time taken, the man is finished to the work is that is equal to 18 days. And the work done by the women in the one day is 1 by 36. Y is equal to 1 by 36. So time taken by the women to finish the work is equal to 36 days.